Just got off the MRT at Sha Tin Station. I'm heading to the 10,000 Buddhas Monastery. Like I say, it's a day of monasteries today. So we've just done Shan Monastery, and now we're at 10,000 Buddhas Monastery. Afterwards I'm going to go to Sik Wen Temple, I think. There's another temple here at Sha Tin, but I'm not sure if I'm going to visit it or not. We'll see how we're off for time. It's 11:30 now. I'm hoping to look around this 10,000 Buddhas Monastery and hopefully get something to eat. I'm a bit peckish. Hopefully something traditional. Now I want to get to this Sik Wen temple before I think it shuts at 4:30. So yeah, we'll see how we go for time. What should I do if I see a wild pig? Don't attack it with an umbrella. No selfies. No feeding. Hide behind a tree. Walk past. Not sure what that one's doing. Have you ever encountered a wild pig before? This is easier to find than I thought. I thought it was going to be a bit difficult. No signposts or anything, but free admission again. Can't go wrong with this free admission. Apart from the price of beer, I found Hong Kong very affordable. Love your countryside, prevent hillfire. There really is a good few Buddhas. Yeah, certainly a good hill up to the monastery. I was counting, but I've lost count. Steps that just keep going. The people up there. We've got switchbacks in a minute. Ooh. Yes, very good. made it to the top. Very humid. Photo. Again, we not like to take photos inside the main hall. These trees are amazing. Look at the roots. Nearly fell over then. Thought I'd finished, but it looks like there's some more to see. Got more stairs. Yeah, these steps are certainly making me work up an appetite. Yeah, so I think I've definitely seen enough Buddhas now. Certainly ready for my dinner. Yeah, so time for dinner. Definitely very Hong Kong style. Ah, English. Ah, very good. Thank you. Oh, she's brought me an English menu. I was going to use the Google Translate app. Lots to choose from. Singapore spicy vermicelli. Right, I'll have a look into this and figure out what I'm going to... Yeah, so they don't take Visa here. Luckily I've got a bit of cash on me. I've got 100 Hong Kong dollars left and this has come to 69, so in budget. I'll have to get some more cash out of the bank. It's been a lot of places take cards, some places don't. It can be a bit of a problem. So bear that in mind. Yeah, so I went for beef brisket and rice, some vegetables in there, and a can of full fat Coca-Cola. Tastes much better than the UK. I think they're allowed to put sugar in it here. Just what the doctor ordered that. It's just at the bottom of the 10,000 Buddhas Monastery as you're walking back to the train station. Perfect place. Can't wait to